Hey guys, and welcome to new shades and new lights. The shades are courtesy of my son, breaking my old ones, and the lights are courtesy of Vic Offroad. So let's check them out. These are Lightfox PEGASUS, and I went for these lights as opposed to the standard Spotties, the lasers or anything like that. And this might be unpopular, but I don't actually need to see 2 kilometers down the road. I care much more about the width of the beam, especially for the off-road driving that we do. I don't need to see 1,000 meters down the track. I just need to see what's around. Can I get around a corner? Can I get up an obstacle? That's all I need to see. They mount up easy enough to the bar, and they wire in fairly straightforward as well. They come with all the wiring you need. They also have little tabs on the side that you can change. I've kept mine orange. A couple of inserts. They have one insert that is black, that just protects it if you're not using it, driving through the day. Great for stone chips or just it getting covered in bugs. They have another insert that, what does it do, Steve? Widens the beam even more. So you get more of that width of beam, so you can see more of what's happening on the sides of the roads or the sides of the track and around you. So the official figure is 1 lux at 906 meters. 304 stainless, IP68, aluminium housing. These things are built tough. I wanted a rectangular look instead of the round one as well. So that stems from probably a childhood thing, seeing the old Brumbies with their rectangular lights on the front. Marries in with the rest of the design of the vehicle as well. Having some rounds at the front really stand out. Having these ones, and I've got the Cygnus ones on the 2 sides there, they work alongside the rest of the design as well. So even in the daylight you can see that they really do light up the spot, but let's check them out at night. Looking forward to hitting up the local 4-wheel drive club for a night run. Just a light one. Some solid dad humour there. Alright, I think that's enough for this one. Time to get driving.